Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Cable Organizer is probably one of the most underestimated yet essential tools for maintaining a clutter-free and aesthetically pleasing workspace or home entertainment setup, transforming chaotic tangles of wires into neatly managed systems that not only look professional but also enhance safety and prolong the life of your valuable electronics by preventing damage from kinks and accidental pulls. Number 5. Syncwire Cable Clips 5-Pack White. This pack includes 5 different sized clips, offering a total of 15 slots. They are designed to meet all your daily household and office organization needs. Say goodbye to messy cables. These neat holders will transform cluttered areas around your desk, TV, or computer, making them organized and safer. Their utility extends beyond just cables. You can use them to hold pens, toothbrushes, or even flossers. They are flexible and easy to install wherever you need them. Each clip features an extra strong sticky pad. This ensures they hold securely and adhere easily to a variety of surfaces. Installation is incredibly simple, just peel and stick in under 7 seconds. For optimal firmness, allow them to stand for 12 hours before heavy use. What we like. These compact clips are perfect for taming individual cables on any surface. Their strong adhesive and multi-purpose design mean you can use them anywhere, from your desk to your car. If you need flexible, individual cable organization for various small wires, these are an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. Yecaye Cord Hider Cable Concealer Kit. Are messy cables cluttering your space? This innovative solution is designed to neatly conceal low-voltage wires like power cords or speaker cables. It helps maintain a clean, minimalistic look in any room. Each kit provides everything you need for your home or office project. It includes 8 durable cable channels and essential parts for maximum concealment. Installing it is a breeze thanks to the strong adhesive tape included. This ensures a secure attachment along your walls or desks, making it a reliable choice for wire covers. Not only does it manage and organize your cables, but it also enhances the aesthetic of your walls and workspace. This serves as an efficient and sophisticated solution for wall-mounted TVs. Untidy cables can pose a danger to your family, especially children and pets. Utilizing this straightforward cover significantly reduces these risks, making it a vital addition to your home safety. What we like. This sleek cord hider is designed to discreetly conceal a single low-voltage wire along your wall. Its strong adhesive ensures secure installation, blending seamlessly with your home decor. If you're looking to hide a single power cord or speaker wire for a minimalistic, clean look, this is your go-to solution. What people say. Number 3. Lamicall 8-Pack Cord Organizer. These innovative clips feature a unique spring open-close mechanism. This allows for seamless one-handed operation, letting you place and remove your cords quickly and securely. With a wide diameter range, they can organize a variety of wires, including Type-C, Lightning, HDMI, and USB cables. This offers one simple solution for all your electronic accessories. Unlike ordinary tapes, these utilize a stronger acrylic adhesive. Simply stick them to any smooth, dry surface, and they peel off cleanly with zero sticky residue, protecting your premium desk or nightstand. Inspired by mechanical keyboard keycaps, their ultra-small footprint allows installation in narrow gaps or car dashboards. Their minimalist design blends into any home or office decor, keeping your workspace organized without taking up valuable real estate. Made from high-quality ABS plastic, these cord management clips are more durable than rubber alternatives. The strong spring locking action ensures easy one-hand operation, allowing you to clip in, pull out, and retrieve your cables effortlessly. For optimal adhesion, remember a simple tip. After sticking them to your desired surface, please wait for 30 minutes before using them. This ensures a better adhering effect for long-lasting organization. What we like. Featuring an innovative spring-lock design, these clips allow for effortless one-handed cable management. Their stronger acrylic adhesive ensures a secure hold on various surfaces and peels off cleanly without residue. If you frequently plug and unplug cables and value quick, damage-free organization, these spring clips are ideal. What people say. Number 2. D-Line Cable Raceway On-Wall Cord Cover 1D3015W. Installing this is incredibly simple, requiring no special tools or expertise. It features a pre-applied adhesive for easy peel and stick mounting, and its one-piece design simplifies the process. Just open the hinged lid, insert your cables, and snap it shut. Its decorative half-round profile offers a superior finish, subtly blending with your decor. It's perfect for concealing TV wires or organizing cords above baseboards, appearing as a natural extension. The longer lengths minimize the need for connectors, ensuring a neat appearance. Easily manage cables around corners and angles with compatible accessory multipacks. Bends and tees feature grip tabs for secure fitting and cleverly conceal any imprecise cuts. All accessories are color-matched and designed for a smooth, flush finish. For a truly integrated look, this product and its accessories are fully paintable. Simply prepare the surface with fine sandpaper, then apply 2 coats of your desired paint. This allows it to perfectly match any room's aesthetic. Each pack provides one 39-inch length, measuring 1.18 inches wide by 0.59 inches high. Please note that various other profile sizes are also available to suit different cable management needs. You can choose the perfect dimension for your specific application. What we like. This on-wall cord cover boasts a stylish half-round profile that blends seamlessly with your decor. Its one-piece design and paintable surface allow for a truly integrated, professional finish. If you want to hide multiple cables along a wall with a decorative, paint-matching solution, this Raceway is perfect. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Unable to extract helpful points as the source content was empty. Number 1. Yecaye 94.2 inches cable management under desk. This organizer provides ample space with 6 J-channel sections, keeping your workspace neat. It efficiently tidies computer and peripheral wires, eliminating clutter and enhancing safety for your children and pets. Unlike traditional organizers, its unique outward-facing opening makes placing or removing cables incredibly easy. This design significantly enhances user comfort and allows for flexible adjustments to your cable layouts. Installation is quick and simple with pre-applied adhesive tape, just peel and stick. When it's time to remove it, a little heat from a hairdryer ensures a damage-free process, leaving no residue behind. Whether you need to hide wires under a desk or organize them along a wall, this kit offers diverse placement options. Simply choose your spot, peel the film, and press it firmly, allowing 24 hours for a strong bond. Each channel boasts generous space, theoretically accommodating up to 10 cables, easily meeting various storage needs. It delivers a tidy and professional working environment, protecting a clean and orderly space. Made from premium PVC, it offers exceptional fire-resistant properties. In the event of an electrical fire, it will not ignite flames, only showing discoloration from charring, providing an extra layer of protection. What we like. This underdesk J-channel organizer provides spacious cable management, keeping your workspace clutter-free. Its unique outward-facing opening allows for effortless placement and removal of multiple cables. If you need to manage a large bundle of wires under your desk while prioritizing easy access and safety, this flame-retardant solution is a smart choice. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON, so no points could be extracted. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON to extract points. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.